Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me live. As I promised you all, I'll be here for this week, maybe 2 hours or 2.5 hours to assist you guys in solving these multiple choice questions that can be so complex at times, but if you put your mind to it, you will achieve it. As you read in the topic, practice now, smile later. That's going to be the theme I'm running with. And I hope you find value in this theme. As trust me, put in the work now, guys. Smile later. All right. So in the meantime, as you enter, I'm here trying to share the live. So stay tuned. We'll be here for maybe 2 hours, if so much. But yes, guys, we're here to make this happen. Okay. Hello, young DK. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you doing today? If you can share me out on your social media, guys, please do so. I would really appreciate that. As the more persons we can reach to, it's a better it will be for us to help them. As you come in, guys, thank you for coming. Please give me a thumbs up as a way of showing appreciation for me doing all of this. And I would really appreciate that as well. So if your chat is open, just exit the chat. Give me a thumbs up. Exit the chat. Give me a thumbs up. And come back. Okay, I'm doing fine. Okay, that's good to know, young DK. Good to know that you're doing well. Thank you guys for coming in. Remember to give me a thumbs up as you enter. I would really appreciate that. How is everyone doing today? I send you the... Okay, I have not checked my my messenger, but I'll check it after the live, young DK. Thank you if you did. Thanks. I have not gone on messenger since I last spoke to you, but I will check it after this live. So let me know who is here, guys. Say hi to me. Rice. It's like, oh, you like it, please. Really, Rice? You come with that again? No, really? You come with that again? You know what to do, Ricey. Apply BODMAS right here. Remove the bracket, simplify the bracket first. It's 0.02 all squared. Simplify the bracket. You don't have to go that far. You can basically know that 2 squared is 4. And that's 2 dp. So once you multiply, you're gonna have 4 dp at the end. That'll be 0.004. After having that, you need to convert the divisor to a whole number, or you make it in standard form, or someone say scientific notation. All right, after doing that, you are on your way. Once you convert about the denominator, you do the same to the numerator and just simplify. I'm wondering if one day that I can get to the point where I can talk the maths and people just do the working out. Yeah, it's a question I'm going to be seeing for the first time, right? See, but you need to remove the bracket first. Convert the bracket. It's 0.02 all squared. Remember, the power tells you the amount of time you multiply the base. That is 0.2 times 0.02 times 0.02. All right. So 0.02 times 0.02, it's going to give you 0.0004. That's going to be your divisor. You convert your divisor to a whole number. What's going on with this computer? This computer. Do you understand what I'm saying to you, Ricey? Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. They say I must restart my computer. I don't want to restart my computer. Honestly, no. Okay, right. Expand the bracket. 0.02 times 0.02 will give you what, Ricey? Let me turn the flash on. Enable flash. Okay. What is 0.2 times 0.2, Ricey? Hey, Natalie. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember to give me a thumbs up, guys. I would appreciate that. I see them coming in. I appreciate them. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Remember, if you have friends who need help, guys, feel free to invite them. It's a free class. It's a free live session available to anyone who needs the help. I'm not charging you guys any money to invite people if you can invite them. 0.04. No, Ricey. No, Ricey. No. If you multiply in two terms, they have two decimal places. At the end, you will have 4 decimal places, Ricey. So you'll have 0.0004. No. You're not multiplying that correctly at all. Please double check that one, Ricey. Please double check that one. Let's just wait until we can see more persons coming in, guys. But in the meantime, you're talking to Ricey about how to get the work done. I hate stooping down. Oh my God. and do it like this for a minute. Have you multiplied it, Ricey? Are you still doing it? I don't know what's wrong with my computer. I don't know what's wrong with it. I think I need to restart or something. When I hit, man. Yes, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. What's Ricey saying to me? And he's taking back his comment. I don't understand you, Ricey. What are you saying? I see you retracting your comment. What's going on? Remember, guys, don't put any numbers in the chat. No numbers. All right. Yes, so 0.00. Yes, Ricey. Yeah. So 0.004, convert that to a whole number. Put it in what you call it, standard form or significant figure. Convert that number to a whole number. Convert the 0.004 to a whole number. And once you convert that to a whole number, you do the same thing to the numerator. I'm just going to send you the questions for you on Instagram. Okay, young DK, I'll check it. I will check it. Hey, Nijan, how are you? I was on your page this morning thinking you'll be coming on live. I didn't see you. I saw the Sunday morning message you left us. But it didn't stay long either. And even the Saturday night shout out, it didn't stay long. I was about to text you today on Instagram, but my sister had called. So I was on the phone with her for a long while. But yeah, I was looking for you. Okay, you went to school. Okay. Because I was looking for you, but I didn't see you. Like maybe she has different plans or something. Okay. I understand. So I'm just here waiting on a few more persons to come in. before I start the lesson. So just bear with me, guys, as a few more persons come in. But yes, guys, I hope your day was productive or has been productive, even though it's still going on. I hope you're putting in the work. Young DK, yesterday I was not feeling well, and so the video didn't get a chance to go up. I was totally out of it yesterday, trust me. I wasn't feeling at all. Thank you, Nai, for sharing me out. I just see you. Thank you. I was not in yesterday, young DK. I wasn't well, so the video didn't get a chance to go up. But because I didn't go up yesterday, I'm like, okay, I can't disappoint them today again. So let me show up. You know? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm feeling better. Not fully 100% better, but I'm grateful. Because once there's life, there's hope. So I'm grateful for that. Yes, Nai, I saw you. Thank you for doing that. I appreciate that, Nai. Even when I was on my live Saturday night, I thought you were on live as well. And I went on the other phone and I shared you. Did you see it? When I was doing my live, I was about to wrap up. But Ricey had me for an additional couple minutes. And so I saw you there and I had to stop, come off mine and went and shared yours. And it came in my notification. So I just went ahead and shared it. Yes, girl. So we have 8 beautiful people here. Can I see the number of persons
Hello
here?
Guys, welcome back to my channel.
What?
For this video, you're gonna
What is that?
Series continues. So the first question is from Trigonometry. It says in the triangle, PQ is 17.
Alright.
PR is 15 and
okay.
QR is 8 centimeters.
Ooh.
What is the value of tan theta? So we need to know the value of tan of the angle. And we know that tan of the angle.
That was my phone, guys. I'm sorry. Don't know what's going on with me and these clicking stuff. Hey, Khan. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Give me an hour to join back. Okay. I see you. Yep. Yes, Nai. That's so true. Everything fall into place. Yeah. That is so true. That is so true. I had a productive day. I went back through some of the math formulas and multiple choice questions that I had forgotten. Okay, Ricey, that's very good. I am happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear that, Ricey. And I hope you know how to use those formulas as well. Alright, because sometimes one question may ask something, but you misinterpret what it's asking and you answer something else. So it's important that you know the formula and how to use it. Alright? Oh, that's nice. Thanks. I know you got my back. Oh, yes, Nai. Always, always, always. Once I can contribute, I will. Trust me, willingly. This tastes nice. Guys, I want to look at what I'm drinking. So hopefully I don't talk. I don't talk crap on the live, but okay. So guys, do you want us to kick it off? Do you want us to start? What's going on? Let us start. So let's approach the first question, guys. So this is the exact value of 8 divided by 0.02 squared is. So what is it, guys? So the first thing we need to do with this question is to simplify the bracket. And so 0.02 all squared means 0.02 times 0.02. All right? So we know that when we are multiplying, we look at the number of multiplying decimals. We look at the number of decimal places to see what our end solution will look like. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the end, we need to have 4 dp. Okay? And we know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So it's going to be 0.0004 for our solution after expanding this. All right? So we have 8 divided by 0.0004. And I was saying to Ricey earlier that you need to convert the divisor. So it's the divisor and the dividend. Convert the divisor to a whole number. So you try to make this a whole number. So we're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? So if we move these 4 places, at the end we will get 4 in the denominator. For the numerator, you need to do the same thing as well. But since as this is a whole number and it's 8, the decimal point will be right here. So add zeros 4 times. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 8 now becomes 80,000. All right? And so from here, we can simplify by saying 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 8, 2. So the answer is equal to 20,000. Another way you can look at this question, guys. So the answer is A, 20,000. Another way you can look at this question is to say, having this, I'm gonna rewrite it. I'm gonna rewrite it right here. So we have 8 divided by 0.0004. Another way we can approach this question is to convert this to standard form by saying 8 divided by 4 times 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the negative 4. All right? This negative 4 can go in the numerator, or we can say 8 divided by 4 times 10 to the positive 4. 8 divided by 4 here. Hello, Gary. Welcome, welcome. 8 divided by 4 here is 2. And 2 times 10 to the 4 is like saying 2. 4 here mean like 40 zeros. So it's 1, 2, 3. I almost put 4. 3, 4. So you can either choose this way or this way to work it, guys. There's no one way of working questions like these. It's just for you to understand the concept behind it. So let me see the persons who understand what I did just now. Remember, if you're not seeing the screen full, expand your screen and you'll see it. So Ricey, is this one clear for you, Ricey? You see how I got it? I used 2 methods to do it. You see how I got it? One error persons always make is that when they convert this to a whole number, they don't do the same thing to the numerator. And that's one error they normally make. So once you move the denominator to a whole number, you do the same thing to the whole the numerator with the same number of movement. Can I go to the next question? Okay, I understand. Very good. Can I go to the next question? Do you all have any question for me before I move on? Okay, yes. Okay. All right. That's good. Let's go for this one. Everybody should get this one by now. B. Okay. Okay, Rexy, I see you. So this question, guys, has to do with the distributive law or distributive property, where you identify which number is outside of the bracket and it is over addition or subtraction. So far, we see the plus sign here. So you know it's distribution over addition. And so because 15 is in both of the term, we know that 15 should be outside of the bracket. And so it is 15, 3 plus 11. If they had given you 15 times 20, it would also be the same thing. But in this case, they gave you 15 plus 3 times 11. Okay. Can I move on to the next question since everybody got this one? Very good, very good. Can I move to the next question? Oh, Jesus. Whoa, 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 whoa. 20, you're right, see. Oh, Jesus. So it's 15. Don't say Rome, start work already. 15 times 14. Thank you, Ricey. Oh, times the room start work already. Yes, Ricey, 15 times 14. Yeah. Thank you for that one, Ricey. And bless everybody was so silent. Oh, this one is a nice one. All right, let's go for this one. I showed you the concept in the first question. So the same concept can be applied to this one. 20. Let me get 20 from a while ago. No, sir. What did I see? 17 or something? Maybe I saw 17. I don't know. But thanks to that one, Ricey. Okay, I'm hearing A. A from Young DK, A from Natalie. Okay. I'm hearing A from Gary as well. I see you guys. I see you all. So I have 9 beautiful people with me. Thank you guys for coming. Ricey, I'm not seeing you. What's going on? Remember, convert the divisor to a whole number. All right. And once you do that, you can convert the numerator as well to whatever you multiply the divisor by. Is that right? See? Okay, right. So you're saying A as well. Okay. So I'm seeing A. Okay, was working. Okay. My bad. My bad. So am I waiting on somebody else to respond, or do I need to go? Truth. All right. So here we're gonna convert this denominator to the divisor to a whole number. So 0.0004. We're gonna move 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 times 10 to the 4. And we have 12 divided by 4 times 10 to the 4th power. 1, 3. So it's 3 times 10 to the 4. It's gonna be 30,000, and the answer is indeed A. Can I go to the next one? Wonder if we're getting questions. Wonder if we're getting questions square root decimal. I'm not sure, but I can bring something like that for you tomorrow. I'll bring something like that for you tomorrow, I see, okay? Hey, Zan. Hey, Zan, how are you doing? Yeah, the answer is A for this one. Very good. Let's go for the next question. Welcome, Zan. Welcome, welcome. Remember to give me a thumbs up when you enter the live. Thank you very much, and I appreciate all of them. Okay, guys, let's try this one. I hope it's not too fine. The marker was finishing on this question. Had to get a new one. But yeah. He's saying A. Okay. I see you not. Dwayne is here. Hey, Dwayne. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Dwayne is saying B. Remember to give me a thumbs up, guys, as you come. No, B. Okay. Probably changing answer. Okay. Forgot to divide the 6 by 2. Okay, I see you, Gary. Gary saying B as well. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 responses so far. Remember, guys, time management is key in the way of practicing. Okay, Zan, I see you. I see you. Zan is saying A. Okay, Zan, I see you. Miss, you have ACC. Oh my God, Racy, thank you. You know, so maybe you're gonna have more questions that have two C's at the end. I'm telling you, maybe. Hey, Nikisha Lee, welcome, welcome, welcome. Good evening. Yes, Racy, maybe you'll see more questions that have the same thing as well. Hello, guys. Why you guys hearing the answers? What's going on? You keep retracting your answers. What's going on and taking it back? What's going on? Hey, girl. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember to give me a thumbs up when you enter the live. Guys, what's going on? Why you guys taking back your answers? I don't understand. People retracting answers. What's going on? Natalie? Natalie. I said D. Did you read the question where I see it says interest charge? So if the item costs $50 and the sale tax of 12%, what will be the total cost of the item? What will be the total cost of the item, right? See? It did not say it inclusive of the tax, right? See? So you should not be subtracting, okay? Okay, right? See, it did not say inclusive of tax. So you should not be subtracting. All right, guys, I have 12 beautiful people here with me. Didn't read it. Okay, you read it now? So fix it then. Fix it, fix it, fix it. Me too, read it over. Okay, hey Queen Cavilia, how are you doing? How are you doing? Thank you very much for joining the live stream. I'm going to give your girl a thumbs up when you enter. She'd really appreciate that. Ricey's saying A. Okay, Ricey, I see you. I see you, Kevin. I see you, Ricey. Thank you guys for coming in. Thank you for coming in. All right. So this question is on the board for how long now? I'm giving you a chance to do it all, see? B. 6:01. 5 minutes ago, the question's on board. How many beautiful people I need? As much as can come in the live. It doesn't matter as many as can come. Oh, that sounds so funny. As many there can be. Dwayne, you changing the answer again, Dwayne? Yes, Roxy. That's a Roxy. Yes, Ricey. What Roxy calling my name? Yes, Ricey. Find how much tax it is added to the 50. Yes. So Dwayne changing his answer again. I know where Dwayne and Natalie said B at first because this question looks so familiar to one that they may have done already. But the one you've done before, guys, is 6%. And this one is 12%. So, Miss, you need to say time. Oh, me? Honestly, I want to know they get the answer right. I'm not really rushing them. I just want to know that they're doing it correctly and making the correct steps. So I'm basically watching them to see what they're doing. We have time so far to do a lot of questions here. So I'm just waiting on them to do it right. So 12% of 50, guys. All right. Let's simplify from here. I'm going to go with 50. Into itself goes 1. Into 100 goes 2. 2 into itself goes 1. Into 12 goes 6. And so the answer here as tax is 6. So that's the tax. So the total they'll pay, it will be the $50 plus the $6 tax to give you 56. Maybe you guys are used to one that says 6%, and so don't even read the question. Some people will say B, but in this case, it's 12%. So we have to be careful of all of those good stuff, all right? So yes, guys, I see the answers. I see them coming in, and I like them. But guys, you have to ensure that you read the questions carefully. If that's the case, read it twice. All right, because we can't afford to make any error. If you can't read once and get understanding of it, we read twice. It's our exam. It's their time, but we need to make our time useful. Okay. Ensure you're covering all the edges you need to cover. Don't just rush the question and say, okay, it's this and then it's not it. All right. That's one tip I have to give to you. Read the questions carefully and all those good stuff. Let's go for this question. Yes, Queen Kavila, I see you. So it's now 6:09. Or should I say 5:09 for some person, 6:09 for some, 5:09 for some. All right, let's see by 6:11 or 5:11 if persons can get this correct. Let's see. Let us see. Rice is saying A. Okay, Rice, I see you. Okay, Rice, I see you. Gary's no, not oh, Rice alone. Okay. Kevila is saying C. Okay, Kevila, I see you. Queen Kevi, I see you. So guys, remember the simple interest formula. Gary is saying D. Simple interest formula. So simple interest is equal to the principal times the rate times the time over 100. C from, no. Gary, which of them? The last one? So Gary saying C, Natalie saying D, Queen Kevila says C, Right is say A. Okay, Gary, I see you. What are you guys trying to spell though? ACD, what's going on? ACD, what is spelling? DAC, CAD, what? We know it's also supposed to be calling out letter. Okay, Zan, I see you. In the kitchen, I see you. We're supposed to be calling out like letter sounds, guys. We're not spelling anything from a class. So even though it's math class, we're sounding out letters. All right. Okay, N and R Tech. Oh, welcome, welcome, welcome. So first I'm seeing you, but I still welcome you. And you're saying C, N and R. Okay. I'm going to give your girl a thumbs up. She really appreciate that. But yeah, I see you guys. I see you. Who have I not heard? Somebody's missing. I think Connie's gone. All right. So Dwayne, did you respond to me as yet? Dwayne, what's going on with you? Nothing from Dwayne. Young DK, nothing from you as well? You guys know me, I like to call out names, And that's exactly how I am in my class as well. Anybody go too silent, we load them up and say, hello, 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 leaving Miss. We'll look over like. Okay, Natalie, I hear you. Thank you very much for joining us, though. Okay, Dwayne, I see you. Ricey, I see you. I thought Ricey responded to me earlier. Hey, Ricey. Mind yourself, Okay, Nat, thank you for coming by. We appreciate you. I appreciate you. Okay. So I'm seeing C's. I guess we're showing letter C. Okay. Am I waiting on someone? 2, 4, 6, 7. Am I waiting on someone before I continue? Remember this formula, guys, is very simple. If you try to remember it, just PRT over 100. Nothing else, nothing hard to it. And that's how you work the simple interest formula. You don't have to learn a formula for interest, for the rate, the time, and the principal different. The one formula, once you can transpose properly by, or you say it's subject of formula, once you can do that, You just need to know this formula. You don't need to know anything else. All right? But yeah, I'm seeing C for the answer. So who am I waiting on? 14 beautiful people here. I hear shoot. Can somebody second Gary's comment? Gary saying shoot. Somebody second comment for me, please. We need a second person to comment with Gary to say shoot, go, work it or something. I don't know. Somebody just commented. Miss, go ahead. All right. Let us go. So simply interest is equal to principal, that's 700, times the rate, that's 5 over 100, times the time, that's 3. We can simplify the numerator and denominator by canceling the zeros. Hey, Tiffany Y, welcome, welcome. So it is 7 times 5 times 3, and that will give you your SI, which is C. Okay, Tiffany, I see you. Welcome, welcome. I'm going to give your girl a thumbs up when you enter the live. If you're here for the first time, not part of the family, subscribe and be a part. Turn on that bell. Let's have fun together. All right, guys. So can I go to the next question? Can I go to the next question? And so for the persons who said C, well done, well done, well done, well done. Okay, yes, yes, yes. All right. Let's go for this one. Subject of formula. Transposition. Some would say transposition. Some would say subject of formula. All right. I like how you guys are being vigilant right now. I like the responses. They're coming in so nicely. Thank you. Subject of formula, guys. Find V. You're trying to find V. So remember, we always do the opposite operation. If you're not seeing the screen, you can always expand your screen. Or sometimes if I can, I will move the paper down a little. But yes, guys, subject of formula. Remember, we always carry the opposite operation. If you're adding, the opposite is subtracting. If you're subtracting, you add. If you're multiplying, then you divide. I see you, Gary. If you're dividing, you multiply. Having the square, you go square root. Having the cube, you go cube root. And all those good stuff. So those are things we need to remember, guys, when we see a question like this. All right? Those are things we need to remember. Okay, Gary, I see you. I see Ricey. I see Young DK. I see Zan. I see Queen Kevilia. Okay. I see you all. People that take back answer again. Ricey. I see DDC. Remember V, guys. V is squared. So we have to find the square root of it. If we want to find V, not V squared, guys, V. And so V is squared, you have to find the square root. All right, Dwayne, I see you. Dwayne is saying B. I see you, Dwayne. I guess you guys are trying to spell something. I'm not trying to mix me up. Or not stutter or something. Well, the letters them come out like this. What's going on, guys? What are we sounding out? What are we trying to spell? You guys know I don't write well, so whatever I see, I'm gonna read it. There is no Dwight here today. I remember that name, Dwight, and remember Archer. And who else? Remember Samantha? What I remember? Suzanne, Janelle, Rochelle, Jamar, all those people, they ain't here with us today, but I still remember you all. Somebody talking to me. Nikki Jolie say C. If you say C, Nikki Jolie, that means you're gonna have V squared on one side, and V squared is equal to what? H y minus H over M. But we need to find V, not V squared. And so if you're square, you go square root, right? If you go ahead, can somebody second write the response? When did I start this question? I started this question 2 minutes ago. No, another second one. I don't know. Somebody second right say, okay, shoot. Look like you love this one. Here you are. Right, see, bye. Every class, Mirona, look here. D. Okay. So let's go, guys. So we have y is equal to mv squared minus h. Here, from what we're seeing, we need to solve for v. All right. And so we need to carry the opposite operation for all of them. So carry the opposite operation. And so here, I'm going to write it back, guys. I always write it back. I don't know why. So here, to get rid of this h, we say subtract h from both sides. So y minus h is equal to mv squared. Find the value of v. They're multiplying here. So I divide by m on both sides. So y minus h over m is equal to v squared. I need to cancel this square. And to cancel that square, I say the square root. And so cancel square root of v is equal to the square root of y minus h over m. And so D is our answer. So for persons who got C, I guess you did not find the square root of both sides. And so the next time you're doing this question, ensure you do that. For the persons who have B, the square root should go over everything that is on this side. That means cover the h minus y minus h over m must be covered under the square root sign like this. Okay? Idris, welcome, welcome, welcome. And so, guys, that's how we get D to be the answer. Want to give me a thumbs up at the end of the live, guys? That's a means of you saying thank you without writing it in Word. All right? So you can exit the chat, give me a thumbs up, and come back if you haven't done so. I appreciate it. So we're given an angle here. That V, right? What? V, what is it? Yeah, V. Right? Are you talking about this letter here? You know your teacher can't write. But yeah, this is V. So V is equal to the square root of y minus h all over m. Yeah, that's V, Ricey. But you know me, I can't write well, so Rochelle could tell you all about that. But yes, guys, that's it. So for this question, all about angles, knowing the different type of angles, supplementary angles, vertical opposite angles, corresponding angles, co-interior angles, a lot of those, guys. So I'm hearing 122 for the answer for this one. I'm hearing B. Remember, guys, no numbers, just type the letters. All right, A, B, C, R, D. Okay, Rochelle, you're here. You hear me calling the name, so you can tell him about me with that one. You catch me red-handed, Rochelle. So you go. But yeah, serious mess. You can ask Rochelle. I can't write properly at all. She's always like, please formulate them correct properly or something of that sort. with our root self. Okay, I'm seeing B for the answer. I'm seeing C from Dwayne. Kabila is saying B, Rashi is saying B. I hear everything. Okay, Rochelle. Idris is saying B as well. Okay, okay. I see you guys coming in. Watching long time. Oh, see all them people will love out up in the bush, Rochelle, and not say nothing. I see. I see. That's fine as well. Angle on a straight line. Yeah, supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. Okay, I see. Dwayne, say sorry. I still never get to write it off because Rochelle, go ahead. No, sir. Rochelle. No, no, no. All right, let me stop me there. She said she had show me there. Okay, Rochelle. But okay, Race, I see you. Angles on a straight line. So that's a property that we apply to that question. Doing is saying B, say sorry. Dwayne, are you retracting your answer, Dwayne? Watching long time I hear. Okay. So Rochelle, where's the answer, Rochelle? You respond and Anna give me a tough chat. Where's the answer, Rochelle? Huh? She give me the answer, but she said B LOL. Okay. I see your answer. Okay. Dwayne was saying C. Okay, B. Okay. Alright. So I'm here to shoot. Okay, guys, so we're asked to find the measure of angle ABE, and ABE is basically the angle right here. We know this is basically a straight line, so angle in a straight line equal to 180 degrees. And so if this is 58, angle on this side will be 180 minus 58, which is equal to 122 degrees. And so B is our answer. Can I go to the next one? So person who said C, I don't know what you did. Maybe you didn't calculate correctly. I don't know. I don't know. All right, let's go. Let's go. Another one for you. So here they're asking you for the value of M. B. Okay. B from Young DK. B from Queen Cavilia. Okay. So guys, we need to make the 0.08 a whole number. How do we do that? B from Nikisha. Okay, thank you guys for responding so quickly. I see. All right. So how many places how many decimal, how many digits did you move? All right. So B from NNR Tech, B from Ricey. Gary, I see you as well. So okay, I guess it's letter B then. So we're gonna be sounding B here. Okay. That's interesting. We're gonna be sounding B. Okay, Zan, I see you as well. You're saying B. Anybody else? Dwayne, you still with us? What am I missing out now? Dwayne. You guys know me not playing a Rochelle. You need to answer the question as well, because you're here in the background. Just listening for me to say something for you to respond. Okay. Who else? Idris, you still with me? Move to the what? To the left, right? See? You sure? It's in this direction left. When I go so, which way move goes on the right? The move goes to the right, see not left. It's in this way. If you go 2 to the left, you're going 1, 2. Okay. Okay. You like me when I'm driving, I have to touch my hand to see which of them is left and which is right. Okay, guys, so give the decimal here to make it resemble this one as a whole number. We're going to move 1, 2, and the decimal point at the end here, which is basically a whole number. I do same B. So it's going to be 8 times 10 to the negative 2. That's a very simple one, guys. And you know, sometimes they'll give you some simple stuff to give you the extra 1 mark. And let's hope they give us some simple stuff like this, so we can smile. And my sister would say smile. Yes, guys. So what is the bearing of P from Q? I remember the word from, whatever letter is behind, in front of or behind, I know you call it. Whatever the letter is on this side, here tells you where to start from. Remember, bearing is the direction from the north line. I right here saying B, Kebila saying B. Okay. Did this today. So tell me the answer now. Okay, tell me B already. Alright. Alright, I see. See ya. See ya, see ya, see ya, see ya, see ya. I see you. So remember, guys, bearing is the movement of the angle from the north line in a clockwise direction. So you have 2 north lines right there. And you know angle at a point equal 360. Angle from between 2 north lines are co-interior angles. So those are things you need to remember when you think about bearing. Either if it involves triangling, it's going to be angling a triangle. But if it doesn't involve any triangle, something about co-interior, something about angle at a point. Alright? What am I waiting on? What am I missing out here? Gary? I'm not seeing you. I just responded. Okay, I just come already. Xander come already. Okay. Alright, so okay, Gary saying B as well. Okay, Miss Kennedy, Miss Lee, get it on. Alright. Can somebody say Miss Lee for me? And let me get it done already. Okay, shoot. Alright, so guys, right here we have an observed angle to be 360. So we know the angle at a point equals 360 degrees, meaning all of this will be 360. Alright, from here, go right back to the north line, 360. If you know here from here to here is 320, to get this angle here, we say 360 minus 320 to give us 40. Alright? And so it says from Q, we're going to start from Q. So from the north line, go down right here. So even though this one look like drawn to scale, maybe I should write the word not drawn to scale right here, because this one look right. Not drawn to scale. Alright, so from if here is 40, guys, what is this angle up here? We know angles from between 2 parallel lines are called co-interior angles. Alright, co-interior angles. And so if here is 40, up here going to be 180 minus 40 to give you 140 for your answer. And so B is indeed our answer. So, what be? Mohan or Drishark, we don't use numbers, so you have to say either A, B, or C, okay? So please delete that comment for me. What? rephrase it. What you want to find the what? Angle Q from P. So the question asks, I'm not sure what Bryce is saying. So the question asks, what is the bearing of P from Q? So when you say from Q here tells you where to start from. So here, so from Q is your starting point. Okay, so starting from Q, what is the bearing of P? Okay, so but they gave us the bearing of P of Q from P. So from P, okay, right, see. Good. So from Q tells us where to start from. All right, but what they gave us here was the bearing of Q from P. Okay, now they want P from Q. So Q is where we start from. And so we know these things about co-interior angles, angles at a point, and all those good stuff. But thank you for coming, Mohan. But we don't use numbers, all right? They'll take the lives, and we don't want that. So use A, B, or C. Okay? And so the answer here is 140, guys, which is B. For the persons who got this correct, well done, well done, well done. Let's go to the next question. Here we have 2 on the paper. You can just attempt one first, which is the first, whatever this one is, the first question. Because they are related, I just use one paper to cover both of them. So the point D is right here. So they say calculate the height of triangle BCD. Calculate the height of triangle BCD. So first of all, we know that what do you call that? EC is 12, and we know that AB is 8. All right? And we know this basically they have parallel sides. 2 parallel lines, yeah. So let's find the height of angle of triangle BCD, guys. If you want to, you can basically label cannot draw the triangle right here. So I'm seeing C from Mohan. Okay, Mohan, I see you. So right here, so we need this, guys. So if here says 8, that means up here says also 8 at this point. All right, and up here, all of this length is 12. So you know this length is 12 subtract 8 to give you 4. So here's our 8, here's our 4. Let's go ahead and find the height. Okay, that triangle is supposed to be familiar to all of you, as it comes from Pythagoras' theorem. So use Pythagoras theorem to find the height of the triangle, guys. So it's gonna be the long side subtract the short side to give you another side, since you want to find a short side. So the two short side, the sum of the two short sides squared is equal to the 3, 4, 5 triangle. Yes, Tracy, is equal to the long side square. Or if you know Pythagoras theorem, you know you have some special triangles. Area, okay, see, okay. If you know Pythagoras theorem, you know you have some special triangles, and I see you, Mohan, I see you. What was I saying? If you know Pythagoras theorem, you know you have some special triangles. You have the 3, 4, 5 triangle. Okay, Idris, I see you. And so if you're not seeing the triangle from there, guys, you basically take it out and do look on observation. So here is 5, here is 4. So we know it's gonna be 5 squared. It's gonna be 5 squared minus 4 squared is equal to BD squared. So 25 minus, okay guys, I see the comments coming in. Tiffany, oh, you're still here with me. Okay, nice. 25 minus 16 is equal to BD squared. That's 9. BD square. Find the square root of both sides. So 3 is equal to BD. And so the height is indeed C. It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, guys. The other question is C. All right, right, see, I see you. Now I reach back. Okay, Khan. Okay, welcome, welcome, welcome. So let's go for the other one, guys. The person who said C for the first one, you're correct. Let's go for the other one. The area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium, I'm going to give you the formula right here. It says it's going to be equal to half the sum of the two parallel sides. So let's call them A plus B. Anyone can be A, anyone can be B, times the perpendicular height. So we found the height just now to be 3 centimeter. Parallel sides, this side, other than 3, 4, 5 triangles. Are there any? Of course. You multiply, there you go. Hold on, let me tell you. Is it 12? 6, 8, 10. I think 6, 8, 10. I multiply that by 2, 6, 8, 10. So 6, 8, 10. So it's 36 and 64 give you 100. So 6, 8, 10. You have one about 17, 15, 8, I think. Think so. 17, 15, 8. 225 plus 64 would I give you 289. That's 17 square, yeah. 6, 8, 10. You have 17, 15, 8, and several other 15 something. What 15? What do I want to go? 15. Something with 20. I don't know. Guys, we don't have my head right now. But it's whether you know the simple ones, because they normally give us simple ones on these paper to try to work out. So let's go, guys, for the area. So we're going to add up this length, that 12 plus that 8. Find half of it and then multiply by the height, or however you choose to do it. That's also fine. So it's going to be half. The length here, okay, and that's coming in C from Gary as well. So half of 8 plus 12 times the height we found earlier to be 3. So the area is equal to half of 20 times 3. Half of 20 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. So remember, guys, if you're new to my community, again, always feel free to subscribe and be a part of the family. Yes, Stephanie, I see you. C, guys. And so the answer for that one is a C. Let me know if you have any question. They can always break them apart to give you extra work to do. Yes, a good one, I see. Remember, it's a vertical. So the vertical, you mean the perpendicular height, yeah. So this height here is not the slant height, it's a perpendicular height. And the perpendicular height is where the point of the angles give 90 degree. Oh, hey, beauty by Lady K, welcome. Thank you for joining. Just passing through. Thank you for coming by. I appreciate that a lot. Yeah, thank you. And thank you for sharing me out as well. So yes, guys. So 30 centimeter will be your answer. So it's half of 20 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30 centimeter square. Yes, girl, all is okay. I'm giving thanks. What about you? How are you? I saw you came on early this morning or something like that. Yeah, or maybe sometime this midday. But when I came on, it said you didn't stay long, so I don't know what's going on. But I saw you. Can I move to the next question, guys? Yes, 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 yes. Oh, it went on by itself. Okay, okay, okay. This one, guys. So 8 books cost. Right, so he's saying A. Oh, so I take it off. Okay, Lady K, I understand. Guess these phones want to be all active by themselves. Right, you say A, KB, I say A, I'm sure. So here's the 8 books cost $15 each, were sold for $90. A last percentage, the last percentage is. So here's a guy, we need to know about cost price, selling price, we need to know about loss. We need to know about loss percentage. Okay? So in all, you need to know how much 8 books cost. Okay, Mohan, I see you. I see you. And so we know that loss is equal to the cost price minus the selling price. I'm not giving you these things. You need to know them, guys. I don't think they're on the multiple choice paper either. So the loss percentage is going to be the loss over the cost price times 100%. I'm seeing B from almost everybody. So I guess we're sounding letter B then. All right, I see you. Lady K saying B as well. I see you. I see you all. So to know what the 8 books cost, guys, we're gonna say 8 times 15. And that should give us what? 120. 10 times 8 are 80. 5 times 8 are 40. No? 80 plus 20. 80 plus 40 or 120. Yeah. 120. Nikisha Lee saying B as well. I see you guys. I see you. So the 8 book costs 120. The person sold it for $90. So let's figure out the loss price. So the loss is in monetary form. So the loss is equal to 120 minus 90 should give us 30. So they lose 30 line off of the book, right? So the last percent is going to be 30 over the cost price here, which is the 120 times 100%. Okay, can I see you? So quarter, 4 into 100 goes 25%. And so the answer here is a B. I hope you guys are working this and not because one person say B, everybody say B, you know. I hope so now work the question, you know. And does that me hope right now? So the question drop when? The question drop 44 now 47. I hope you guys are working the question. And you know these simple formulas in your head. It's very important. And not because one person say B, everybody are going to say B. Make sure. Okay, Queen Kevili, I believe you. I believe you all will work it. But I'm just saying this. Okay, very good. Can I move on to the next question? Shoot me off. I'm working in my head. I hear you. Big up yourself. We need brain like you in CXC. All right, Mohan saying yes. We're gonna second Mohan now. Come on, guy. You know I like seconds, you know. Come on. Okay, shoot. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. The sun is blinding my eyes. I'm gonna pull this curtain because we can't afford that. That right now. I mean, I want to put on my glasses. But I should be wearing it. I don't wanna. Okay. Here we go, guys. Here we go again. Go and go tell your friend. So we are gonna mash up the street again. So given that x is the axis of symmetry, of y equal 4x minus x squared, what is the coordinate of the maximum point? So right here, so guys, okay, Rachel, I see you, Mohan. Maximum point, guys, we know this is a negative quadratic function. All right, so once the x squared term is negative, see that? We know it's a negative quadratic function. All right, Rachel says she's not sure. Don't worry yourself, trust the person inside of you, okay? Nikki just saying see, young DK saying see. I see you guys. So your son you not see today? Miss, you're talking like this. So Ricey. Please. You make me chest that hurt me. Leave me alone, Ricey. Please and thanks. Please. Please. So guys, once x squared term, my heart feels so different right now. No, my heart feel different, people. What's going on? And I need to go do some workout or something to keep this heart pumping the right blood. But yes, guys, they gave you the value of x. So to find the value of y, basically asking you for the turning point, guys. And for turning point, we have x value, we have y values, right? And so once they give us axis of symmetry, we know that's the x value for the turning point. So to find the y value, we go ahead and we substitute the value of x into the given function. All right? So anywhere we see x, we put whatever number they gave us. So let me give you a hint here. So we need the turning point and see xy value. So they gave you the x already to be 2. So in this function, y is equal to 4x minus, wow, Kennedy, x squared. Anywhere we see x, we put 2. So it's 4 times 2 minus 2 squared. 4 times 2 is what? 8. 2 squared is 4. So 4 minus 8 minus 4 is 4. Y is equal to 4. And we know x already is 2. So coordinate form 2, 4 will be our solution. Sometimes, guys, they'll give you this graphically. So again, you need to remember that the axis of symmetry is the x value for the turning point. When they say they want the maximum point or the minimum point, they're asking you for the, what's hip? I don't know what that means, can. They're asking you for the turning point. A point has 2 values, x coordinate, y coordinate, x value, y value. They give you x, put the value of x into whatever function they gave you, which is this one, and you find the value of y, put it back in coordinate form. Okay, I hope this was clear for everyone. And so the answer is, what it be? C. Yes, right. See, kind of easy. Yeah, that's true. Once you know the x value. So let's give it. I do myself this one. Oh, come on, Tiffany. I understand. But never mind. See, once you had the concept in your head, on an exam condition, you just run with it, okay? Don't doubt yourself. It's 1 mark. If you get it or you lose it, all right? But I like your honesty though. That's very good. This one, I like it. For this one, guys, I like it. So right, see, I'm not going to work it. Not because I like it. The values of x for which y equal. No, Natalie went, she said she had to go. So she'll be back to watch it or sometime. Maybe she'll come back after before the live end or something. I'm not sure. But for today, we're staying for 2 hours, guys. So you can say, work me out today. So here, they say the value of x for which y equal 4x minus x, x squared intersects y equals 0 r. So basically here they want to know the roots of this equation. So when y equals 0, guys, what is the value of x? What are the values of x? Yes, right. See, I like all of them. That's why I bring them here to you. And you know what? Fine, when I don't like it, I'll also tell you guys I don't like this one. But so far, I'm liking them. I'm having fun. It's like I'm doing the exam for myself. So guys, here they want to find the roots of the equation. So they say y is equal to 0. So in the function given, anywhere you see y, you go ahead and you substitute y equals 0. Okay, I see Mohan saying A. Okay, Mohan, I see you. And guys, this is a 2, okay? This is a 2. I was gazing when I was writing it. Yes, Ricey. We should do that. Yes. I know you're pretty smart, Yep. Equal it to 0. Then we find the value of x. All right, Gary, I see you saying C. Okay. So let me put in the first step here. So 0 is equal to 4x minus x squared. You see we have 2 x's there in each of the x in each term. So we can go ahead and we can factorize the right hand side. And so we factor out an x. So x come out of this one, we left with 4. With that one, we left with negative x. From here, guys, we apply the product property rule that says once 2 terms are multiplying, so a times b equals 0, we equate both of them to 0. So equate this to 0 and this to 0. So x is equal to 0 and 4 minus x is equal to 0. From there we solve for x. So we have one answer already, that x is equal to 0. Let's do this side. So we have to add x to both sides to cancel the x on the left hand side. And so 4 is equal to x. So the two values are x equal 0 and x equal, is it positive 4? Is it negative 4? Is it 2? Which of them? A, B, or C? Let's go. This question look like me a dance and me a write them how they lean, honestly. A, I guess. Can. Me just show. Oh, it work. You mean you guess? Me just show for the question, can? You mean you guess? Positive 4. Okay. Who said that there's no Mohan? Okay, Mohan, I see you. And Nikishali is saying C. Remember, guys, we need to get rid of the negative x. And so we have to add x. That cancels. So 4 is equal to x. So therefore, x equals 0. X equals 4. See that? X equals 0. X equals 4. Not negative 4. And so for this one, the answer is A. Look here. Wanna play with me? Uno, play with me. Like I only see like 1, 2, 3, 4 responses so far. What's going on, people? And I have 17 beautiful people working with me. I don't understand, guys. Talk to me. That's how I know how to help you. Talk to me. So I guess I need to do more like this one then. Because you all didn't respond to the question as I expected it. I can't rewrite because you did it. Young DK, it has been on the board since you're the person who is talking about that I should give time when doing the question. So why are you saying that right now? And since the past 5 minutes, that was like 54. So what do you mean you can't do it because I did it already? You're the person who is saying I need to give time when doing the question. So where's your time in Young DK? Okay. As we all know. Alright, so they had some already. I'm gonna give them that one yet. Okay, Tiffany. Okay, bye. Thank you very much for coming. I appreciate you coming by. Alright. Alright. Yeah, please do more like this. Yes, I will. I will bring it to you guys. If not tomorrow, Wednesday. Alright? If not tomorrow, Wednesday. Let's go for this one. Let's go for this one, my beautiful people. I have 16 lovelies here watching the live. Thank you guys for sticking around. I appreciate you all. And please, guys, talk to me. Talk to me. Ricey is saying A. Okay, Ricey. So let me give you guys a head start. So on the translation, T, 3, -2, the image of A, 2, -5 is, we know object plus translation vector is equal to the image. I see answers coming in. Put it as column matrix. Okay, Ricey. Okay. Yeah, A. Okay. So object plus translation give you the image. And so the object here is, I'm confused between A and B. So what you have to do, Mohan, is to put them as column matrix. So let me write it out for you. So the object is A, so there's going to be 2, -5. And the translation vector is going to be 3, -2. Here you're going to be adding. And so 3 plus 2 will give you 5. -5 plus -2 will give you a -7. And all they did was to put it back in I can't spell. Oh my god. Yes, guys, all you was to give it back to you in coordinate form, as in the plane. Answer is A. I didn't quite remember the formula. Okay, so object plus translation vector give you the image. Whatever they give to you, you can just basically transpose from this to find whatever you want. So if you want to find the translation vector, you subtract object from both sides and all of that. Hey, Nanish. Thank you very much for joining us. We're here doing some CXC multiple choice question as I aim to assist these students in completing their CXC exam that's coming up this July 27, guys, I think. How you know when it's image? Because they say under translation T, the image of A. So image of A mean you want A prime. Alright, so they give you something. So they give you the object for you to find the image, Gary. Oh, thank you, Nanish. When I finish the live, I'll be sure to see you, okay? Thank you very much for doing that. When I finish this live, I'll see you. So yes, guys, so how to know when it's what you want to find? They'll basically yes, young DK, the 27, please take out that number, please and thanks. So 2 negative. So 2 and negative 2 is the object. 2 negative 2. You mean this? That's not 2. You mean 2 negative 5. Yeah, 2 negative 5 is the object. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're correct. Yeah, yes, right, I see. 2 negative 5 is the object. Yeah. So they said the image of this is. So the image, this cannot give away. The image of this is. So they're asking to find the image. So yeah. So guys, try to remember this formula right here. As we know, they always send a translation vector, translation question on the paper. Or rotation, reflection. We don't know what they're coming with us, guys, this year. So you have to prepare for everything, alright? And try to remember this. Object plus translation vector equal to the image. Next question. Am I hearing that? Or should I bring more like these or something? What if they turn it around? So you could say under translation, T 3 negative 2, the object of A prime 2 negative 5 is. So in this case, if they are giving you the image to be 2 negative 5 and you want to find the object, you basically have in this formula O plus TV is equal to I. All you have to do is you want to find O, so you subtract TV from both sides. So the object is equal to the image minus the translation vector. Right here, so the image, you know it has 2 negative 5. Is it as something like that? And you know this to be 3 negative 2. And you just sub it from there. Yeah, you always add object plus translation vector. But if you want to find, for example, the object, you subtract TV from both sides, as I did right here. So the question, guys, the questions will be phrased in a way. It will give you a hint some way or the other. It's just so you to know when it's a hint and when it's not a or whatever it may be. But a hint will be given. Trust me. They're not gonna be so cruel. I don't think so. I hope not. But yes, guys. Yes, Gary, you're most welcome. Okay, let's try this one. If 1,300 out of 6,500 members voted in an association election, then the percent which voted was or is, what I said is, if I voted was, voted is, no, not the English, but yeah, voted is, voted was. D, can is saying D. Can do you know this question? Look like you know you can. Where you know it from? Can you saying D? And the question just dropped. Like, can know this question from somewhere. I don't understand you can. Don't understand you at all. At all. So guys, you know, the amount of persons who are in it, you know, the amount of persons who voted, so you're gonna find that percentage. So it's 1,300 divided by 6,500 times 100%. Simplify the fraction. Give it the percentage. So I'm seeing 2 comments so far from Khan and Young DK. NNR, I see you. I see you. I see you. No Janelle today. Janelle is missing. Suzanne is missing. Samantha. Mary. I haven't seen Mary either. Oh. Can I know it from Alcamata? No. 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 No, can I didn't give you this question. It looked like that one, but it's the same one I gave you before. Nikki Lee is saying C. 15. You sure, Nikki Lee? 15, 1,300 divided by 65 is what? As a fraction. Right, see, I said D. Okay, sir. I hear you loud and clear. I thought we should put it over. Isn't that what I said, Rosie? But then I realized it should be. What? Rosie, what are you saying? You have 2 different ways of working this question. I'm not sure which of them you're saying right now. So it's going to be 1,300 over 6,500 times 100%. What is Rosie saying? Honestly, I don't understand. What you saying, Rosie? My teacher says I work back way and I rather say okay, I hear you. I hear you, Rosie, miss. I'm going on my next. Okay, young DK. Okay. All right, guys. So let's simplify. So that cancel that, cancel that. 13, 1, 65, 5. Oh, my head. What's going on today? I don't feel right at all. 5 to 5 goes 1, the 100 goes 20. So it's 20%. Oh. So the answer, guys, is 20%. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Guess what? The Lord shall cover me. Now or myself. Here we go, guys. Let's take up this one. Let's take on this one. So we have 7 beautiful people here with us. Thank you guys for sticking around. Okay, that's good, Ricey. I'm happy to know that. I am happy to know that. That's very good. Ooh, my head. Something's going on, guys. All right, let's go for this one, guys. So y is directly proportional to x. So remember, we have two type of variation, direct and we have indirect. Okay. So direct variation, y equal ax. Indirect. Okay, Nikisha, I see you. Y is equal to 1 over x or a over x. All right, so it says direct, so y is equal to ax. They always give you how do I say that now? A full form, what do you call it? A full, I won't say full. They always give you a value for x, a value for y. Let me say a coordinate. They always give you a coordinate, guys, to find the constant proportion. So y is equal to ax, y is 12, x is 15. Let's go ahead and find the value of a. After finding the value of a, you go ahead and find the value of y when x is equal to 30. Yes, I can't let me had something. No. With the AC on. Guys, don't hold on the please. I'm not going to work. I got to turn on the AC here because you know like how me feel right now. Go ahead, guys. Work the question. Let me soon come back. I'm only seeing one comment, guys, from Nikisha Lee. What's going on with everybody else? Are you guys here with me? Are you guys working? Whew. What's that? Okay, Queen Kavila, I see you. You're saying C as well. Okay. So remember, guys, we always use what we know to find what we don't know. We know y, we know x. Let's replace that into the equation given. Find the value of a. After which, using a and x, you find the value of y. So it's always for us to use something that we know to find what we don't know. All right, guys? So far we have, okay. Ricey, take away comment. What's going on? Ricey, why are you retracting your comments? What's going on? What's going on with you, Ricey? Ricey, why are you playing with my chat, Ricey? I keep seeing the screen moving and I see you retracting comments. What's going on? Why are you doing that? Okay, Dinsmore, I see you. You're saying C as well. I see you. I see you. N and R Tech, I see you as well. You're saying C. I guess you're making the C sound for this question. I see C. So while you're there working, I'm going to go ahead and find the value of A. All right. So y is equal to 12. So 12 is equal to A. X equal 15. Man, like really? Look here, don't do that. So I want to find the value of A, C in that. 15, that's 15. Oh my God. So A is equal to, let's reduce this. You can divide that by 3, divide that by 3. We're going to get, number is that? 4 over 5. No, sir. If I pass that, because I go blow it today. I know some I go blow out some. All right, sorry about that, guys. So y is equal to ax. We know a is 4 over 5. We know x is 30. So let's replace what we know. So a, 4 over 5 times 30. Let's reduce this fraction. So 5 into itself goes 1, into 30 goes 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So y is equal to 24, and that is C. So guys, you are indeed correct. I only have 5 people talking to me right now, but I still appreciate you all for sticking around. Okay, Ricey, you're here. Okay. Any question, guys? Should I bring more of these? I'm not sure about tomorrow, but should I bring more of these? You're feeling bored? What's going on? Questions too simple, Con? Talk to me. Questions too simple? I hope you can see this question. So up here, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, guys? So this last one here, so Q. 2, 4, 6, 8. Look here, Dinsmore. Look here. Don't bother me today, yeah? Every day you come with one circle theorem question. Once you know the theorems, it shouldn't be a problem for you to work any question from circle theorem. Once you know the theorem, so I don't know. Okay, I'm here in B. B from Ricey. For elements common between, we know that the sign here, intersection, means and. It means elements should be in P and Q and R. What elements so far are common between P, Q, and R? Okay? So they're asking you for P, Q, and R. And life is what we make it, okay? And so if we make it boring, we make it simple, it's gonna be simple. We make it boring, it's gonna be boring. It's just what we make it. Okay, Ricey, very good. They're between, let's say between the three of them, Ricey. Between all three. There's no intersection and there's no shared. Yeah, you're correct. Hello, Miss Kennedy, I'm late. But never. Okay, Miss McKay, better be late than never. Okay, I see you. I see you. It looks like a blank check. Yes, young DK, I hear you as well. So guys, so this one, so if you observe the sets given, you'll see that between P, Q, and R, there are no elements common between all three of them, and so it's an empty set. That's a very simple one. That's a very simple one. Very simple one. Let's go for this one. 105 is divided between 3 friends. 3, 7. Okay, welcome. Between 3 friends. How much is the largest share? These are simple questions, guys. Easy to understand. So let's just manipulate them. B. Okay, B from Dinsmore. Let's go. Let's see if we're making the B sound for this question. I don't know, or maybe you guys want to spell something else. I am not sure. But let's see what you guys have to say. If it's the B sound we're going to be making. Where did I put my water? I had it in my hand just now. One person is saying B. Let's see if you're making the B sound. So we know we always go ahead and we can find the total if we want to of all the three ratios given. So it's 3 plus 8, 3 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, Gary, I see you. And then we can work with the fractional method. So we go ahead and we add the ratios. So it's going to be 3 plus 5 plus 7 to give us 15. Miss, please bring ratio. I'm horrible at them. Okay, Ricey. And so, after the largest share, so the largest number here is 7. So it's 7 over 15 times 105. And we work from there. We can divide the numerator and the 15 into, let's use 5. Divide that by 5, goes 3 times. Divide that by 5, goes to 21. Is it 21 times, guys? I don't know. Actually, I put 15 into it. Alright, 21. 3 into itself goes 1, into 21 goes 7. 7 times 7 is 49. The largest share is $49. So the answer for that one is B. All right. Ricey, did you understand this one, Ricey? So what you have to do is, guys, is to basically find the total, adding up all the ratios given, be 15. Then you work with the fractional method. The live is lagging. That means it's delaying. Are you saying it's delaying? It's sticking. But I'm checking the thing on my phone and it's not sticking for me. I don't know. Can anybody confirm what Connie's saying is the live sticking for you guys as well? No, it's not. Hey, Nick Richardson, welcome. Thank you very much for being here with me. He said it's not sticking. I don't know. It's not sticking for me either. Can maybe your internet or something. Because I have the comments on another phone reading it and it's not sticking for me. So I don't know. But let's go for this one, guys. You need to know these questions by heart now. So, it's going to be good. This is the second time I'm giving you a question like this to find the area of a trapezium. So you all should be flying over these questions by now. Like racing. Where did I put the... Oh my God. What is wrong with me? Where did I put the paper? Oh my God. Come on. Kennedy. Don't do that. Not now. Okay, it's right here. Okay, the Wi-Fi low. Okay, because I'm wondering. Okay. All right, miss the ratio. Miss for the ratio. If we put it over on the, put it on the 15. Yes, yes, right. So we add up the 3 plus the 5 plus the 7 or whatever they give us. Add it up to find the whole. Then you take them as fractions. Yes, Ricey? Yes, yes, yes. 28. Tabula is saying C. Nikki is saying C. Ricey is saying C. Gary is saying C. Dinsmore is saying C. All right, guys. So this one should be pretty simple for all of us. I'm just going to go through it. So it's half A plus B times the height. You see me writing the formula every time. So you guys, that's the one way in high school. That's one way I always remember the formula. Because A plus B, writing the formula, guys, it helps to build retention. And so I keep writing them out and saying it in my head. And so sometimes it just come naturally. So it's going to be half. What this be now? After me, I don't know what that be. What am I having 12 here? That's 15. Oh my God. Guys, I'm losing it right now. 24 times 5. Half of 24 is 12 times 5 is 60. She's my daughter. Yes, Dinsmore, Kissy tells my mama. And so, everybody who says C, thumbs up for that one. All right. Let's go, guys. I am not playing today. So this one should take us to 7 o'clock, or some would say 8 o'clock where they're from. So this will take us to 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock, depending on where you are at. So let's go, guys. Grab a bite and let's go. I'm telling you, my head don't feel right at all. Like I want to trim off this here or something. No, my head don't feel right. But yes, guys, let's go. Dinsmore is saying A. Okay. So calculate ATB. So guys, we need to know that OABT or OATB is a quadrilateral, and we know about angles in quadrilateral, that opposite angles are what you call the word? The S word. Supplementary, or they add up to 180 degrees. Me back. Welcome back, Idris. Welcome back. Welcome back. We're here doing the same series of questions. Until this one, we are at circuit theorem for this one. Gary is saying B. Dinsmore A. Nikisha leave B. Let's see. Are we guys spelling something or what? Pity we can't spell the word abs. But what are we spelling? Ambitious? No, I'm not it. What you spell, guys? What are we spelling, guys? Come. Talk to me. I have 13 beautiful people here with me. Remember, guys, if we're not family, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you back after I finish my live. Connie's saying B, IG saying B. Okay. I see you all. I'm going to give your girl a thumbs up. She always appreciate that. I just what? What's going on? We only have like 4 or 5 people responding to me. Where everybody gone? What's going on? What going down? What's going on, guys? Right? See? Why am I not seeing you? Queen Kevila, you come back. Okay, she's saying B as well. So let's go, guys. Opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral. What the hell am I saying? Opposite angles in a quadrilateral are equal. So this angle plus this angle should give you 180 degrees. And I just said the word equal. They are supplementary. Something wrong with me today. So 180 minus 124 should give you the angle down here. And so everyone's sleeping. I think so. Is my brain as well. So it's 180 minus 24 will give us 56 degrees. And so that's how we get the angle there, guys. And so we know that if they ask, we know that these two lengths here, they are equal. All right. These angles here are basically 90 degrees as they are from the center to the point of tangency. Okay, that's very good. Tangent is 90. This angle here is also 90. Yeah, ring the bell. I wish I had a bell to ring. Maybe to wake me up too. Let's go for this one, guys. Pretty simple and easy to follow. Let's go for this one. Pretty simple and easy to follow. Opposite angles are equal. No ricey. Opposite angles in a quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. I retracted that comment. So opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are in a what is name? Quadrilateral equal to 180 degree. Let me brain asleep or something, pardon me. But equal 180. I'll give you the note soon, I see. For this one, guys, I'll give you the note soon, I see. So for this one, in the triangle, the length of AB in meters is, so I want to find AB right here. All right, this length I want to find. But we know that once we're given an angle, we go ahead and we label the sides. So this angle is known as the opposite side. It will be our hypotenuse, and this will be the adjacent. Shall is saying D, some is saying A, some is saying B. Holy moly, let's go. So from here, guys, we know we have 3 ratios. So, Toa. We're given the hypotenuse, we want to find the adjacent. So we know we have to use cos. All right. So already, AB. So already we know that A and B is completely out of the question. A and B is out. How do I know that? I label the sides and I was given the hypotenuse. I want to find the adjacent. So only one of them involved that and is cos. So we know A and B is completely out of the answer. So the sine of 50 is equal to, Kennedy, what is wrong with you? Jesus Christ, no. The cos of 50, guys, is equal to something to me, no? But I'm not sure what to me. AB over 25. We want to find AB, so we multiply both sides by 25, so AB can stand on its own. So this one, cancel this, so AB is equal to 25 cos 50 degrees. And so here we go, guys. So AB is equal to 25 cos 50, and so C is the answer. So only Gary alone get this one right. Only Gary. No Ricey, no Dinsmore, no Khan, no Nikisha, no Idris. Gary smiling. Okay, Gary, take that smile. That's fine. You deserve it. Let's go. OMG, I did the right thing and typed the wrong answer. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine, Ricey. That's fine. That's fine. Let's go for this one, guys. Perpendicular gradient. What do you know about gradients that are perpendicular? You know what, go on. Feel funny. I can't believe. Come on, right? You enter on the exam, you don't do the same thing. You don't circle the wrong one on the exam paper. You check to see whatever you're circling is what you want to circle. Okay? Ensure on the exam to come, whatever you're circling is that you want to actually circle. All right? Because these things do happen. You'll have the right answer in front of you and still circle the wrong one. I'm telling you. Let's go. Perpendicular gradient. Kevin, let's say it's C. Nikki says C, right? He say A. Dinsmore saying C. Perpendicular lines are equal. No, go so. No, parallel lines are equal. Parallel gradients are the same. No. King, Anthony, welcome. So first I'm seeing you here. If you're new, please become a member of my family by subscribing to me. I also appreciate that. And give me a thumbs up, guys, if you have not done so. So Gary, I see you. Can I see you? King, I see you. Ricey took back his answer. Like almost always. What's wrong with you? All right. So guys, we need to know a few things about gradient. Parallel gradients are equal. That means M1 equal M2. Perpendicular gradient. It's a negative reciprocal of the first one. All right. Okay, Khan, I see you. That's fine, Ricey. Come on. I told you guys, make the mistakes here. Don't not on the paper to come. So parallel slopes are equal. That means M1 is 3. M2 is also 3. Yes, the negative reciprocal. Yes. The negative reciprocal. And so perpendicular slopes, if M1 is equal to, let me say, 2 over 5, let me put 6. 2 over 6, M2, you flip this, 6 over 2, and you negate it. All right? And so the first gradient here given, so from the question, M1 is equal to 3 over 2. So for M2, you turn upside down, so it's 2 over 3, and you make it negative. All right? And so the answer is C. One way we always teach the students to remember it if they don't want to do it this way is to say that M1 times M2 is equal to negative 1. So if you know M1 as 3 over 2, you multiply that by M2, negative 1. You transpose this to make M2 the subject by multiplying by 2. on both sides. So this cancels. So 3m2 is equal to negative 2. You divide by 3 on both sides. That cancel. m2 is equal to negative 2 over 3. So if you can't remember that it is a negative reciprocal of the first one, you try put another formula here and work it from here. So yes, right. See, parallel lines are equal, parallel gradients are equal, yeah. But we need to remember these things, guys. Because we don't know what they're planning for us. We have to prepare for all situations, right? Yeah, right. See, I won't move it as yet. I won't move it. I'm leaving it for a while. So parallel gradients are equal. Perpendicular slopes. M1 is given. M2 is a negative reciprocal of the first one. So if you don't want to remember this part of it, you can remember this formula here. M1 times M2 equal negative 1. If you're given one of them, you transpose and find the other. Or just remember the negative reciprocal. Or just say flip it, make it negative. Flip it, make it negative. So remember those simple things, guys. It's important that we do, alright? Because that's how we're going to pass the exam. And I want everyone here to pass the exam. Trust me. I want you guys to pass it. Yes, Gary, you flip it and make it negative. So that this one, I got this one, I flip it and I make it negative. Yeah. Easy 1, 2. My brother would say boom bang. Oh, like that? Boom bang. Something like that. Easy 1, 2, guys. Just for us to remember. And I can't recall if they give us this on the formula sheet. I don't think so. I don't remember because me hardly look on the formula sheet, guys. I don't remember what they're on here right now. But yeah, we can do this, guys. We can make this work. We can make this happen. You finish writing? It's a lot to know, guys, but if you just if you understand most concepts, you can work yourself around a question. If you, even if you're seeing it for the first time, you can always work yourself around it. And getting these practice, it helps you as well to different ways the question can come and how to think about it. They don't give the formulas. Yeah, of course, multiple choice give you a formula, Dinsmore. Of course. Just some simple somewhere, sometimes you won't ever use it. But it gives you some simple stupid stuff, yes? But you won't use, like, really use them. I'm sure of that because even at the school I teach, we give the kids multiple choice, the what you call it? The formula sheet on the back part of the cover page. And then they have stuff to work with. But sometimes they hardly ever use it because whatever is in the multiple choice section doesn't even require anything from that part. So they always see it as, always see it and not see it. All right, Connie saying shoot. Who else say must shoot? Talk to me. Can one fire gun for a long time, people, so I have to be careful of can. All right. So talk to me. Shoot. Somebody else can second that. All right, I see you. So guys, we have 12 more minutes to go. I hope whatever is here will last the 12 minutes. Because I'm doing 2.5 today, Nick. Okay, Nick, I hear you. We have 12 more minutes to go, guys. And tomorrow again, another 2.5 hours. As you all know, in the best of help, but I want to help you guys. So I'm trying my best. I'm coming out to help you, all right? So 2.5 hours in the week. And on weekends, we go 6 hours on weekends. Just like last Saturday. 6 hours again this Saturday coming. But in the week, 2.5 hours. Or sometimes 2, Miss Please start early. Like what time? I asked you guys, and you respond to me. Like what time? What you call early, Rice? What time must start? What you call early? Don't tell me 12 o'clock though. Because me not start until 12 o'clock. And then me almost just get up. What you guys call early? Talk to me, Ricey. You should be doing my question still. But yeah, tell me what you mean early. 3 suggestions. No, here, here, can. King, we can't use numbers, okay? So we have to take it out, King. So take out that number there for me, please. But I see the answer. You get 4:30. King, where do you live? 1 p.m. Gary, me just wake up after 12. I'm come on like 1 p.m. I'm not gonna have time to do that. Thank you very much for that one, King. Gary, me can't come 1 p.m. Alright, guys. So me come 3:30 Jamaica time. If you live in Trinidad or Guyana or whatever, it's gonna be 4:30 for you. So 3:30 Jamaica time, I'll come on. You live in Guyana, so I'll come 4:30 for you, King. Oh, King, you're right. So 4:30. So 4:30 tomorrow, guys. So tomorrow 4:30 I'm gonna come. Alright, Trinidad is the same time, 4:30. So let's say at 4 instead of 5:30, let's say 4:30. I was trying to do to accommodate some other people. But let's say, alright, let's go for 4:30. So if you live in Jamaica, it's gonna be 3:30. If you live in Trinidad, Guyana, or St. Lucia, where else? Trinidad, I'm saying that a while ago. Like, my brain run too fast. But yeah, 4:30 for you guys. So come, tell me the answer for this question, please, and thanks. So not have me here start talk how much something, how long now. Tell me the answer for this. King Anthony is curry chicken or curry? Or chicken curry. Yeah, I just. Ooh, no, sir. Easy at all. Curry chicken. My little never will say chicken curry. What is curry chicken? What do you mean? So you have Nika, I did laugh. Alright, guys, come. Chicken curry or curry chicken? Curry chicken. So let's go. Dinsmore is saying A for this one. Okay, Dinsmore, I see you. I see you. So universal set is equal 25. So guys, if you can't see this thing visually, always go graphical, alright? If you can't see it visual, always go graphical. Don't let them try to confuse you. Once you sense confusion, guys, do your stuff or you know what to do. Is it P and Q? Yeah, P and Q. So both of them, they say, this one says P and Q is 5. Set Q is 4. That means all of here, so is 14. If you know this part to be 5 over here, so it's going to be 14 minus 5 to give you 9. You see that? This part here, so all of set P, all of it is 12. But we have 5 doing both, so it's 12 minus 5 to give us what? 7? To give us 7. All right, they said the universal set is 25. So U is equal to 25. So we want to know the number of elements outside of P union Q. So P union Q complement means everything outside of P union Q. P or Q, don't repeat anything. So let's go, guys. What do we do from here? What do we do, guys? What do we do? What do we do? We know the universal set is 25. To find P union Q complement. I'm seeing D. Remember, guys, Gary, remember P union Q. What is it? What after me? Those numbers don't add up to 25, miss. I know that means something is missing, right? Ricey, I know. So remember, guys, P union Q means everything here. All right, that's P union Q. So P union Q complement means this. Everything outside of the set. So in the set here, you add up 7 plus 5 plus 9. That should give you 12, 20, 21. Cool? That means all of these in here is 21. But the entire universal set is 25. To know what is outside of it, you're going to say 25 minus 21 to give you 4. Okay? So this is that. And the shaded region, how do I say this now? So people who are watching and not listen properly, P union Q would be all of this. Okay, I'm seeing A. But say, do you guys understand how I got this just now? So you have to understand what they're asking you for. It says P union Q complement. Means everything outside of it, which is this one, all right? Everything outside is this one. And so if you know that equal 21, and the entire thing is 25, the 25 sub to 21 to give us 4. And so yes, the answer is A. I think I'm going to have to bring more questions like these because when I stumbled a while ago, I mean, I like that. You guys are stumbling and I don't like that. I want you guys to get to the point where you rush through these questions like Usain Bolt. Fast, like soups. What time do you go live? I have Miss Bring set questions every day. Okay, Dinsmore, I go live most time it was like from 4:30 onwards, but today I went 5:30 to accommodate some other persons, but they didn't show up. So tomorrow I'm gonna go 4:30 Guyana and Trinidad time, 3:30 Jamaica time. So depends on where you live. 3:30, 4:30, you're on that region. All right, guys, so let's travel on to the next question. I'm gonna have to do my homework of writing question on phone tomorrow. So you want everything? Yes, Ricey, yes. Yes, Ricey. What time is it? What time is it now in Antigua? Is it 7:57 or 6:57? 7:57 for you now in Antigua, Nick? Antigua and Barbuda, right? Is it 7:57 for you? Just say yes or no. You can't use numbers. As you're gonna write and delete it. Okay. Okay, I see it, Nick. Delete it now. So for you tomorrow, it's gonna be 4:30 tomorrow for you, Nick. Tomorrow I'm coming live again 4:30 for you, okay? I see your comment. So tomorrow for you, Nick, is gonna be 4:30. Yeah. So you have Eastern Standard Time. So 4:30 tomorrow for you. And for Jamaica, it's gonna be 3:30 for people in Jamaica. If you can invite your friends, you can also do that as well. Let them come and learn something, but especially if they need the help. All right, guys, let's go for this one. So it's inversely. That means it's not direct. And we don't say indirect either. So we say it's inversely proportionate. So we know that y is equal to a over x. Depending on what they give you for y and what they give you for x, you use that. All right. So in this case, R is inverted. So R is equal to A S squared over S squared. That's S. I don't know if you know what to write S, guys. Oh, because that's S squared. All right. They gave us R. They gave us S. We need to go ahead and find A, which is the constant proportion. Somebody saying 4 over 5. How was that? Gary, check your answer again. S squared. It's S squared, Gary, not oh, not S. It's S squared. So let me help you guys out with this one. That's the first part. So R is equal to 4. A is equal to, you know, Gary, I guess my slap up on the phone. Gary, if you were nearby, I would give you one slap. I'm telling you that. So there you go, guys. Find the value of A. Take back the other one to Gary, because I don't know what that. Take it back as well. Take it right back, Gary, because I don't know what that is. Take it back. I don't know what that is. Take back your A, take back your B. You need to find the value of A, Gary. So it's A over 25. How do you find the value of A from that? What do you do? Guys, we have 3 more minutes to go for the live to end. So I guess it's going to be our last question. Because we're gone 2 hours 30 something minutes already. Yes, Gary, thank you. Double check your answer now, please and thanks. Or we can just go until this paper is finished. I think I have how much left here, so. We can just go until this is finished. We have about 4 more to go, guys. So let's go until this pile is through, or maybe not. I'm not even sure right now. Because me not even, I think. So come on, guys, talk to me. This question has been on the board since 7:57. Come on, guys, talk to me. Drop some answers. Drop some answers. A, B, C, D. Which of them is the answer? A. Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Come on. We can do this. It's our last question. Ricey is saying D. Okay, Ricey, I see you. Are we making the D sound, guys? Nikki's saying D. Dinsmore saying D. Are we making the D sound? Are we? Are we? Are we making the D sound? Ricey, I'm sure. Okay, Ricey, I hear you. Positive in your answer like that. I'm really sure. Okay, I see. We have 16 beautiful people here in the house with us. 17. Ooh, Gary saying D, Khan saying D. I see you all. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm back again. Okay, Khan. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Even though we're soon gone. But yeah, you're welcome here. Okay, King, I see you're saying D as well. So should I go in and work the question now, guys? So since as we know, okay, Idris, I see you. So 4 is equal to A over 25. Need to find the value of A, multiply both sides by 25. That cancel that. So A is equal to 100. And so, guys, our answer is a D. So the most important thing here, guys, I think I need to say is that you read if it's direct or indirect. If you don't know how to do these, I have a video on this that was made like 3 days ago. Go check it out. So know if it's indirect or direct. If it's indirect, what am I saying indirect? Oh my god. If it's inverse or direct. If it's inverse, we know use the fractional method. If it's direct, we use y is equal to x, y equal ax. Having this, we then check the conditions given. So r is inversely proportional to s squared. Not just s squared. They could have said the cube of s or something of that sort, okay? So but it's a s squared. And so with x is, that's our independent variable. And so here s squared replaces x. After that, we simplify to find the constant proportion. Some people will use a, some will use k. It doesn't matter because they're all letters, and so they varies, meaning they can change anytime. All right, that's it for that one. Let's do this for our last question, and we're done for the rest of the day. Yes, guys, I'm finished for the rest of the day. So after this question, we out. Okay? We out after this question. And I really appreciate you guys sticking around, coming out in the first place, and just making this a good one, you know? Wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have a live stream to look forward to. So I want to say thank you to everybody. That's here with me. Okay? I love and appreciate you all. We have 14 beautiful people in the house. Let's go for some answer. So remember, I told you the simple interest formula. This time I will not be writing it on the paper. Simple interest, PRT over 100. They always give you enough information to find whatever you want. And so you're going to have to just work with that. Put in what you know, find what you don't know. I am a teacher, will tell you the formula about how to find time, how to find rate, how to find whatever. I will just give you the standard formula that says SI is equal to PRT over 100. Principal. I read so poorly, guys. Never mind me. Rate, time over 100. SI means simply interest. So put in whatever you know, guys. Once you know this formula, you can transpose it or find the subject of any of whatever you want to find. Okay? So I would advise you to know the different formula, but if I want to do that, that's also fine. That's how you learn. Just work with how you learn. I'll work with that as well. Okay? How you learn, I'll just work with that. I'm back again. Kan, what's going on with you, Kan? You keep jumping and jumping out. What's going on? But I'm happy you came back, though, for the last question. That's fine. I appreciate you coming by, Kan. Appreciate you coming by. So, yes, guys, we do what we have to do to make this work, all right? If you're a formula person, swap the formulas. I don't mind. Just do it and do it right. Because that's our main aim here, okay? We have 13 beautiful people in the house. I love and appreciate you all for sticking by me. You know? We're little but we talawa. We're enjoying it. We're having fun. And you're learning. And I like that. So let's go, guys. Let's answer. Keep rolling out some answers for me. This is real hard. You have something missing. Nothing no missing, boss. Nothing no missing. Nothing. Listen, the simple interest on $700 for 3.5 years is $196. If you ignore all of this second line here, the simple interest is $196. Okay, I see. Ignore all that second line. Okay, who that? Okay, Nick. Is that Nick? Nick, I see you. I see you, Nick. So right, see, ignore the second line right here, so, and read it. The simple interest is 196. The principal is 700. The time is 3.5 years. Remember time with the simple interest formula, guys. Time is yearly or per annum. So if you, what am I saying, per annum? Same thing. Time is given in years, guys. And so if they give in months, you always convert that to years. All right. Remember, very, very important. If they give you 6 months, 6 out of 12 for the year. Remember, 0.5. So we always write it as years. So let's go, guys. We can do this. We can make this work. Okay? I trust you all. So let's get some work going on. So one answer so far from Nick. And Nick is confident in his answer. I don't see him changing, or I hope it's a male. It sounds like a male. I don't know. I don't see him changing or her changing or. They just stick with the C and they stay with C. Let's see what you guys have to say. So let's go to the second step. Put in what we know. Simple interest, 196. Principal, 700. Rate, we don't know. Time, 3.5 over 100. Simplify if you can. Male, okay. Nick is not changing. Okay, Nick, I hear you. You can go ahead. Racy, move off. Racy, get away from here. But you can go ahead, miss. No, try it. Try it. No, you can't. You can't just say him look confident. Where's your confidence? Come on, Ricey. Don't do that to me right now. Don't do that. No, don't do that. Me look confident? Me? If I'm confident, guys, or not, you won't know. Because whatever I say, I'm going to stick to it. Going to high school, if me wrong. Me I stick with my answer. I not change because of nobody. I stick with my stuff. From high school days until now, guys. No. Once I get the answer for something, I'm sticking to my answer. I don't care what you have to say. You have to prove me wrong. King, you can't use number in my live. Delete that, brother. But yes, guys. So let's simplify. That cancel that. 0 cancel 0. So 7 times 3.5 R is equal to 196. 7 times 3.5, how much? 24.5? Maybe. 7 times 3.5, yeah, 24.5. So 24.5 R is equal to 194. Divide both sides by 24.5. Divide both sides by 24.5. That cancel that. So R is equal to 8%. So the answer is C. King, don't feel any. That's just me, King. Okay, I don't mean any harm. So I'm gonna do more of these questions because y'all didn't know what to do. And so that's the end. No, it's not King face. I'm sorry, King. Okay, I didn't mean to rush you like that, alright? Hush. I still love it, never mind. Oh, what was I saying just now? I'm gonna bring more of these questions because you guys not getting it at all for this one. I see you guys hate you all hate consumer arithmetic. So I'm wondering if tomorrow should be a day for consumer arithmetic question. What do you guys think? Should tomorrow be a day for consumer arithmetic and maybe bearings? Because you guys didn't like the bearings either. What do you guys think? Talk to me. Can tomorrow be a consumer arithmetic day? When I bring all of what I can bring for you all? Yeah? King is saying yes. Okay, King, I see you. He's laughing at me as well. King is saying yes. Rice is saying yes. What you guys think? Tomorrow? Okay, can I see your answer? See, yeah? So can tomorrow be a consumer day, guys? Because I understand you guys are not liking this much. And maybe I can just drop a few other, maybe 1 and 2 sets in it or something. But majority going to be from consumer. What do you guys think? Talk to me. I want to plan so you guys will enjoy it, because enjoy it and learn at the same time. Come talk to me, people. Yes, yes, yes. I'm hearing yes. I just saying yes. Okay, Dinsmore saying C. Okay, I see, I see, I see. So tomorrow gonna be a consumer day. I'm gonna drop a few, maybe a one beer and a one set question or something. But the majority is gonna come from consumer. Makes it hard to babysit and do. Never mind, never mind, Con. Never mind, never mind. You will do this. No worry. You are multitasking good so far. So tomorrow, guys, consumer. Yeah, nay, yeah, nay. Yes, I hate it. Okay. So tomorrow gonna be a majority consumer. I'm gonna bring some from the different aspects of the different strands. We're gonna be mostly consumer for tomorrow. So that's a day. Tomorrow, 4:30 in Guyana, Antigua, Trinidad, St. Vincent. Who is there with me again? I don't know. But yeah, 4:30 for you people. If you live in Jamaica, it's gonna be Can you have a child already? You ain't it ain't easy. You distract me. What me say a while ago? So tomorrow, guys, 4:30. If you live in those places, Trinidad, St. Lucia, 3:30 in Jamaica time. No, 3:30 you live at Jamaica. Okay, leave me alone, please. 3:30 if you live in Jamaica. 4:30 if you live in other places. So I'm coming tomorrow 4:30. So 3:30 in Jamaica time. But Rochelle Louis, those topics are trouble for me. So tomorrow gonna be a day for consumer arithmetic. Rochelle, I'm gonna try my best to find these questions tonight. Write them down. So I'm not gonna be late tonight, right? Yes, I'm gonna go to sleep late tonight. Yeah, consumer. Yes, tomorrow 3:30 for your Rochelle in Jamaica. Persons in Trinidad, St. Lucia, Guyana, Antigua, 4:30 for you all. Alright, so tomorrow day for consumer. We're gonna drop it like it's hot tomorrow, guys. Yes, yes, yes. So thank you guys for coming. Thank you for sticking around. Invite a friend tomorrow. Invite a friend and let's have fun. Alright. So to those guys, thank you. I appreciate you all for sticking around. Tomorrow gonna be your consumer day. I wish I was from the Caribbean islands. So where you come from? Later. Okay, Rush. Bye-bye. Thank you for sticking around with me. Bye. I appreciate you. I'm from Jamaica. Yeah, see? So let me know you wish I was from another. Wasn't it easy? What is supposed to mean, Racy? From another Caribbean country. Where you want that? Look how people love the country. You can't act like Trini if you act like Trini, brother. You have to come from Trini to act like Trini. You know how much people act like Yadi? Okay, Dinsmore, I will. I will. In right, see how much people act like Yadi? Go speak body. When people want to be a Jamaican and you want to come from Trinidad, you try to thank God where you come from. Put your face. Let me talk better. Right, see, be grateful of where you're from, okay? Because a lot of people want to be like us and they're not like us, and we have to appreciate them. And sometimes we even mock them to be like them because your accent funny or something about them is good. So you always talk like them. But yeah, we gotta appreciate who we are, man, and where we're from. So yes, guys, we're linking up tomorrow. 3:30, 4:30, depending on where you're from. I love you all. I appreciate you all. And it's now time for us to depart. Look here, Dinsmore. May I string up you today? May I put it in a needle and thread situation right now? Breering's consumer circle theorem. I hope you send me some circle theorem question. Bearings, please. Yeah, I wrote the bearings down, Can. So as I said to Dinsmore and the others just now, I'm gonna bring from mainly consumer, but a little bearing, a little number theory, a little sets and all of that. But him now listen, him a try coward me down. I mean don't tell him I'm gonna do it tomorrow already. So yes guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Every time I must go away and have me on the phone, I couldn't know where me go away. But yes guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Ricey keep taking his comments out. Ricey, what is wrong with you? No, one to Ricey. It's like he wasn't even here because he keep taking the comments out. Yes, Ricey, I think I made note of that. I'm gonna be going through the papers I just completed. I'm gonna take the ones I'm gonna come back with when I put do more on that you guys weren't comfortable with. So for now, I'm not gonna bring back any more trapezium because I said, hold on to get that already. Come talk, I get a woman, but yeah. I make note of them. I wanna bring them back tomorrow. Or something looking like it, or not really the same question, but yeah. Something of the same nature, guys. Yeah? Where's the ratio one? I think I have it somewhere here. But yes, right, I'm gonna bring it back for you tomorrow. Don't worry. So yes, guys, thank you very much for sticking around with me. Like, no, okay, I got 3. Alright. Okay, just run out, got 3 or make it stay. Let's just. Who is doing something to me now? Right, see, have a good night. You too, sir. Thank you. You too, thank you. Nikisha and Kevila, you guys are still here? Isita, y'all still here with me? Have a good, okay, so that already. Have a good night. Oh my God. I am tired. But I'm also happy that I was able to do this today. I didn't have the video yesterday, but today was okay-ish. So I still have 9 beautiful people on the phone with me. And they're not saying anything. I don't know who is here. I know Rice said good night, so maybe Rice is gone. And he's deleted all his comments. It's as if he was not even here. Miss, I love your accent. Thank you. Thank you. Why they keep deleting their comments? What's going on? That's if they weren't here. What time again? Ricey, 3:30 Ricey. 3:30 Jamaica time. I'm gonna put a comment on the, what do you call it? The community tab. So yeah. But 3:30 tomorrow in Jamaica time and 4:30 Eastern Standard certain time, what do they call it? Eastern Standard Time. So I have 2 more people just join me. So guys, we just finished the finish the series of multiple choice questions. Idris, oh Idris is saying I'm here. Okay, Idris. So let me put the time. Let me add this. Can I add it? What am I talking here as? Okay, I'll come up help. So I'm not sure it's up. I'll come look. Idris, you want to take a question? Take this question home with you. Here. You sound like Ricey right now. Take this one with you. Take this one with you. Do one more, please. Take that one with you. That was like Ricey on Saturday. Saturday? Come on live, yeah. Saturday. Even though I was finished Ricey, I must do one more. So take that one with you. And if you tell me the answer correctly, I won't do the working out. That'll be like the start of the next question. If you tell me the answer correctly, yeah, tell me the correct answer, I won't be working it out. I'll just say yes, very good or something. But no working out for my. See. So probability of candidate failing an exam is 1/3. If 1,200 candidates wrote the exam, how many persons pass it? So 1,200 wrote the exam, how many persons pass it? You took less than 3 minutes to give me the answer. Less than a minute to give me the answer, Idris. You didn't look here, Mina. You did not work that one, Idris. You didn't work it. So if 1/3 fail, that means 2/3 pass. So what is 2/3? One if you correct? What? He just told me good night and he's still in the chat. If 1/3 pass, people, and 2/3 fail, even without working this question, you basically, you know that the 1,200 divided in a 3 parts, right? 1/3 fail. So how many persons pass? Even without working the question, you can think about it and you see the reality of it. So it's 1,200% the exam, guys. If you divide it by 3, you'll know how much one portion is. So you know that 400 represent one part. Yes, Idris, D is the answer. So if 400 represent one part, 2/3 will be 800. So 400 fail and 800 pass. Yeah. Or you can say you find 1/3 of 1,200 to give you 400. You subtract that from the 12 to give you 8. Or you say 2/3 of 1,200 would have give you the answer right away. Right, so go ahead. Work what? You better leave me alone here. But work that, miss. Work what? Yes, Idris, you're correct. So look, guys. So they say 1/3 fail the exam, right? So 1/3. How much plus this to give you 1 whole? 2/3. All right. So we have 1,200. Basically, a reasoning question. I can choose to do it different ways. You have 1,200. So you know we want 3. Break them into 3 equal parts. We'll get 400. What am I saying? 400. Yeah. So 1 part is equal to 400. So 1/3 is 400. So 2/3 will be 400 plus 400. You didn't know what to do. Or you say, since 1/3 fail, that means 2/3 pass. So 2/3 of 1,200, cancel that 1 into that 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. And so 800 would be the solution for this one. And that is the dege last one. So we reach, you see? Now we reach the 3 hours. And I promise you guys, 2 hours or 2 hours, 30 minutes. But I'm having fun, so I don't really, to be honest, I don't really mind. To be honest with you. Dinsmore is saying D, Nikki Lee said D. I just worked it right, so didn't even see you say please. I just worked it. You know, if when I say no, I'm going to do it nonetheless. You know, when I say no, I'm going to do it. But yeah, I did it. And so it's 800. So sometimes not every question, guys, you have to go pen to paper with it. You can just reason it out. And don't overthink the questions, guys. If you do that, problem right there. Alright? And we don't want any problem in the exam. Because remember, CXC will not see your working out section. It's not like paper 2, where they can track your steps to see where you went wrong. It's multiple choice. It's either right or it's wrong. And don't when exam and circle 2 answers, guys. Good night, miss. Good night, Ricey. Thank you for coming and sticking around. I appreciate you here, okay? As I was saying, guys, you can circle 2. I think class done. Rochelle, class done, of course. I was just talking to Idris about something. Class is finished, Rochelle. But I was saying to you guys, you can't circle 2, you can't circle 2 answer because the machine, the OCR, will be machine still there. The OCR will be marking the paper and they only take one answer. So if you have 2, that machine won't be picking up those 2 answers. Or maybe they'll just pick up 1. Or maybe none. So you have to be cautious about these things, guys. Alright? And double check the answer before you submit a paper or whatever you have to do. Practice time management, guys. That's very important. Don't take 5, 6 minutes on one simple question. If you know you don't like consumer arithmetic, make a note of the answer, the questions you're going to be leaving out. Do other questions and come back to it. Alright? Don't take 7 to 10 minutes on one question. It's not worth it. Worth 1 mark. So do the one you're more confident with and come back to the one that's giving you a problem. Alright? So having an understanding, guys, you will do well. And if you believe in prayers, my prayers are out to you. Universe is going to be guiding you. You're putting in the work, so the work will pay off. Okay? Because many times what we do is to doubt ourselves. And once you doubt yourself, guys, your mind gonna now on different realm. And we don't want that. We want positivity. So even you're not fully confident in the exam, push out confidence. Eventually it overtake you and everything will fall into place. Yeah, practice makes perfect. I am really not good at math. You see that last part, Idris? I like your first part of the sentence. Practice make it perfect. But the last part, I don't like it. You don't have to be good at maths to be able to do it. Just like a little portion of it, and then you'll grow to like more of it, and then everything will just look super, super easy to you. And there you go, you get it right. But yeah, which your honesty is appreciated, Idris, and I appreciate you saying that. But some words are not supposed to be said, okay? Because the universe, like, mommy would say that bush have ears, or she will say, what you speak, words have something else I did normally say in Jamaican terms. Basically, what they're trying to say to you is that whatever you speak will come to pass if you don't be careful. Alright? So you don't have to like the math, just like aspects of it, and you'll eventually grow into it. Especially if you don't want math in your future career. Just pass this stage. Oh, you did one in general, didn't do so good. So what's the area of weakness, Idris? What area did you I know, Racy. I want you to stay longer. What area was what was a problem to you in the exam? What was your challenge in the exam? Idris. Let me see if from now until the exam time, if I can help you to build on the area. What was your challenge in the exam? What area? Statistics, measurement, consumer, number theory. May I miss out? Maybe I miss out something. Function, relation, and graph. Sets, algebra. What am I leaving out? Trigonometry, geometry, transformation. What was your problem in the exam? Kadri. Yeah. Look how long me no see Kadri on my live stream. See Kadri come and say I can't done the live done already. Kadri, you see, oh, we start 3 hours ago, Kadri. You're late. Like you're super late. I haven't seen you in forever, Kadri, but welcome. Thank you very much for coming. I appreciate you stopping by. You can feel free to watch over this live stream, Kadri. It's gonna be very interesting. You hear me? Seen a lot of stuff, but yeah, you can feel free to watch it over. Or while you're doing something like live play or something. Kadri, if you're in Jamaica, I can't remember where you say you come from again. But if you're in Jamaica, tomorrow 3:30, I'll be live. If you're in Trinidad, Guyana, Antigua, somewhere else, St. Vincent, it's gonna be 4:30 for you. All right. Oh, your plan up. Oh my God. Osh. Osh, osh, osh. So algebra, consumer, arithmetic, and relation. Okay. All right, Idris. I see you. Where's mean? Where's what? Where's what? I just name a few. Okay. We're gonna see how best we can help you. Okay, Idris? And your phone is on all caps. You have to take your phone off that, because that's basically all caps is gonna consider to be a spam. So take your phone off all caps, Idris. Kadri is saying more. Oh, Westmoreland? Okay, you're Jamaican then. Okay, Westmoreland you come from. So tomorrow 3:30, Kadri, we're gonna be live. In a full time, 3:30, we're gonna be live. You can find me on Instagram at Alicia Kennedy, ALECIA KENNEDY, or you can find me on Facebook. You'll see the picture that's on my YouTube, whatever you call it. You know the word be YouTube something. Translation, reflection, rotation. Okay, Ricey. Look, you want me to the whole book come here. No. But yeah, Kadri, I'll be live tomorrow. Yes, Ricey, I see you. I'm gonna drop in a 1 and 2 question from that. The majority will be from consumer. I'm gonna drop in on 1 and 2 of those questions in it. Nonetheless. So don't worry yourself. That one seal. Cool? So yes, guys. So feel free, Idris, find me on Instagram. You can find me there, Alicia Kennedy. The same on Facebook. If you send me a question, I always respond to you. You can ask the others in the group who message me. Maybe I may be like half an hour later or something, I'm going to respond to you. Because I don't always have my phone in my hand. Sometimes when message come in, I don't see it right away. But when I'll check it, I'll respond to you. Rochelle, have a great night, Rochelle. Rochelle, you did more telling you a good night, you see? Love the interaction. Oh, that's great, right? See, I enjoy doing it as well. So, everybody here is having fun then. I'm saying if I can write my name. I can write my name. I'm going to write my name in this thing. Thanks a million. You're most welcome. You're most welcome. I'm gonna write my name if you didn't get it. ALECIA KENNEDY. So that's my name on Facebook and on Rochelle is still here. Oh, Facebook and on you call already Instagram. Yeah. Most welcome, guys. Most welcome. So I guess we can close the live now. It's 3 hours and 10 minutes, guys. So we're gonna close the live now. I'm gonna see you all tomorrow, my beautiful people. Thank you very much for coming. I love and appreciate you all. All right. So tomorrow 3:30. Ricey, move off. Tomorrow 3:30 and Jamaica time 4:30 if you're from the different Caribbean countries. Ricey, bye. So you can stay there, won't know. Good night, people. Hungry is killing me right now. I'm going to eat something before I feel worse than this. So please talk to Ricey, guys. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow.